Animals are reliable, many full of love, true in their affections, predictable in their actions, grateful and loyal. Every species of animal is unique and gifted in its own way. Keeping pets gives many people companionship and great happiness. The poem Macavity, the Mystery Cat is written by T.S. Eliot, who seems to be fond of cats. In this poem, he highlights the devilish mischiefs of a cat, which makes it a highly amusing poem. Thomas Sterne Eliot was born on 26 September 1888 in St. Louis, Missouri, to a prominent Boston Brahmin family. He was an American-born British poet, essayist, publisher, playwright, literary critic, and editor. Eliot worked as a school teacher, most notably at Highgate School, a private school in London where he taught French and Latin. He attended Smith Academy in St. Louis and then the Milton Academy in Massachusetts. He graduated from Harvard University and then left for France and the Sorbonne to study philosophy. He returned to Harvard and deepened his knowledge by reading Indian philosophy and studying Sanskrit. He also finished his advanced degree at Harvard. Some of his popular poems include The Wasteland, Love Song of J. Alfred Prufrock, Ash Wednesday, Four Quartets, Journey of the Magi, After Strange Gods, and Naming of Cats. T.S. Eliot won the Order of Merit and received the Nobel Prize for Literature in the year 1948. This pioneering poet of the 20th century died on 4th January 1965. Macavity, the Mystery Cat, written by T.S. Eliot, is a long poem about a villainous and wicked cat. The poem describes how he manages to commit all types of crimes and always escapes from being caught. The poet says that Macavity is a mystery cat and it is known by the name of Hidden Paw because he is the masked criminal and can disobey the law. He is the confusion of Scotland Yard and despair of the flying squad. In other words, he has made the police of Scotland confused because when the police reaches the scene of crime, he vanishes away. And the Scotland police are searching for him everywhere. According to the poet, there is no one like Macavity as he has broken every human law as well as the law of gravity. After committing every crime, Macavity vanishes away. And Macavity's this power of levitation makes the fakir surprised. The poet says that it is useless to search for him because even when somebody reaches the scene of the crime too, he will not be able to find him though he may search him on the ground or in the air. The poet introduces Macavity as a ginger cat as he is tall and thin. He says that anyone can identify the cat if he sees him. He says Macavity's eyes are shrunken in. His eyebrows are deeply lined with thought which make him look like a villain. His head is doomed. His coat is dusty as he does not keep himself clean. His whiskers are uncombed. He keeps swaying his head from one side to the other that are similar to the movements of a snake. When someone thinks that he is half asleep, in reality, he is awake and in a complete sense. According to the poet, no one is like Macavity. He describes him as an evil spirit in the shape of a cat as he is morally corrupted. He tells that one can find him and meet him in a private street or in a mall, but after his crime is discovered, he vanishes away and cannot be found. Macavity is outwardly respectable because some say that he cheats at cards. He cheats in such a way that no one can discover. His footprints are not found in any files of Scotland Yard. However, he commits every crime. Whenever he loots the ladder or steals jewel or milk or makes pig stifle or breaks greenhouse glass, he vanishes away quickly and is never found there. When a foreign officer finds a law broken, when they find their papers on which plans to catch McCavity are missing, they are sure that it is done by none but McCavity. When they find their important documents later on in the hall or on the stairs, it is useless to investigate as McCavity vanishes away. When the loss is disclosed, the Secret Service would say that it was McCavity who did this. But now it is useless as he is already a mile away. One can find him either resting somewhere or licking his thumb or engaged in doing some calculations on his next plan. The point says that no one is like McCavity, as there can be no cat as confident and charming as he is. Next, the poet tells that he does not commit crimes alone. He always has some companions who accompany him in committing crimes. He also says that his companions are also well known because of their crimes. He mentions their names as well. They are Mangojerry and Griddlebone. Mangojerry and Griddlebone are fictional characters specialized in petty thefts and mischief in T.S. Eliot's book Old Bosom's Book of Practical Cats. He refers these two characters in this poem because he wants to say that McCavity's crime records are so amazing that Mangojerry and Griddlebone are just nothing in front of him. The poet beautifully compares McCavity to Napoleon. Like Napoleon, who led the French army, McCavity led all other criminal cats in the city.